So in this video, we will discuss about Learn Gulliver's Travels by Jonathan Swift. मैं पहले से बोल चुकी हूँ कि ये मेरा हैंड रिटन नोट्स है जिसको मैं फॉलो करके मेरा इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में यूजीसी नेट में क्लियर की हूँ. Gulliver's Travels or Travels into Several Remote Nations of the World. This is the full title. This is the another title of Gulliver's Travels into several remote nations of the world in 4 parts by Lemuel Gulliver. So part 1, A Voyage to Lilliput. Part 2, A Voyage to Brobdingnag. Part 3, A Voyage to Laputa, Balning-Barbie, Luggnagg, Glovdivdriv and Japan. Part 4, A Voyage to the land of Houyhnhnms. So यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है, तब ऐसा भी आता है नेट में कि जापान कौन से पार्ट में, द वोयाज टू जापान कौन से पार्ट में है, तो उसको भी आप लोग अच्छे से याद करके जाना है. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट इन गॉलिवर्स ट्रैवल्स स्ट्रूडब्रॉक्स आर द पीपल exempt फ्रॉम नेचुरल डेथ. This is also the very important one. Next, in Jonathan Swift's 1726 satirical novel Gulliver's Travels, the name Struttbrock, sometimes spelled Struttbrocks, is given to those humans in the nation of Luggnagg who are born seemingly normal but are in fact immortal. Although Struttbrock don't die, they do continue aging. तो ये है जो स्ट्रूडब्रॉक है, उन लोगों के बारे में ये डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. एंड जोनाथन स्विफ्ट हैड रिटन गलिवर्स ट्रैवल्स in 1726. At the conclusion of Gulliver's Travels, Gulliver argues that his motivation for telling the tale is to inform and instruct mankind. In Jonathan Swift Gulliver's Travels, Gulliver refers to William Dampier, the famous writer of Two Voyages, H. Cousin. In Jonathan Swift's Gulliver's Travels, Gulliver refers to William Dampier, the famous writer of Two Voyages, H. Cousin. So this is the important information that you can get here. And from here also you can have the questions in your examination, NTA NET examination. Then Gulliver's Travels earned Jonathan Swift the bad name of being a misanthrope. So in the land of Brobdingnagians, Gulliver discovered mountain-like beings. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, लैंड ऑफ ब्रोडिंगनाग में जो सेकंड पार्ट है वहाँ पे माउंटेन लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग होते हैं. एंड ब्रोडिंगनाग इज़ द नेशन ऑफ जायंट विजिटेड बाय गलिवर इन पार्ट 2. द पीपल आर 60 feet tall and everything else in their land is sized in proportion on a scale of 1 foot to 1 inch. By gilding name is Gulliver known in Brobdingnag. So this is also the very important. ब्रोडिंगनाग में गॉलिवर्स का नाम क्या था, तो ये है ग्रिल्डिंग. So Brobdingnag is a fictional land in Jonathan Swift's 1726 satirical novel Gulliver's Travels, occupied by giants. Lemuel Gulliver visits the land after the ship on which he is traveling is blowing off course, and he is separated from a party exploring the unknown land. So Gilding has the name given to Gulliver by the farmer's daughter Gludalilich in Brobdingnag. So this is also important one that you have to memorize, means who gave the name Gilding in part 2 to Gulliver's Trap. So this is the farmer's daughter, Glumdalejit. So Gulliver receives the following response when he boasts about his countrymen. So this is a quote: the most pernicious race of little odious vermin that nature ever suffered to of little growl upon the face of the earth. So the king of Brobdingnag. So कौन इसको बोले हैं? King of Brobdingnag. After his return from the land of Hyannis, Gulliver refused to let his wife and children to touch his bread or drink out of his cup. So this is about your Gulliver's Travels that I have prepared my hand notes.